What's up, YouTube? So today we're taking my YZ 125 and Kai's 450 SXF up to Buttonwoods MX in Rhode Island. So should be a good day. We're like lower C-class riders, so don't expect some AMA footage over here, but it'll be a fun time. It'll be a fun time. I'm excited to see how Kai does on his new to him bike. So he's ridden 450s there before, but this one's a monster, and I'm slow. But we're trying to get better. We're trying to get better every time we go. You know, get a little faster. But yeah, let's load some bikes up. Got all the gear loaded up. Got the bikes loaded up. Gas cans, canopy, seats, all that jazz. Told Kai he should probably be here at 8:30. That's about an hour drive. It's 8:35, but no Kai. Where art thou, Kai? So now we just wait. He finally decides to show up. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Good.
You ready to ride?
Yeah. Oh.
Got everything loaded up, ready to go, buddy.
It's good. It's really good.
Yeah, I'm on. What are we at the giving pump? Hopefully we get free gas.
Yeah, we didn't pay inside though.
Against the two-stroke.
Definitely wants to fill his own gas.
I'm a big boy. Do you hear that? Oh, it's the ad. I thought it was the pump.
I thought it was the giving pump. Like, thank you, Declan. Feed me.
Got the freshie. Caster 927. Run these bitches at.
Look at that caster. Dude, do you hear that? Oh my god.
Little trick. Throw a little bit of gas in the mixer so you don't leave it any oil left in it.
Yo, sick advice, bro.
Look at that. No oil left behind. You don't see that. Editor, cut that out. I'm like the most awkward person on camera. I'm good at filming, but I'm super awkward on camera. The giving pump did not give, it gave us high prices.
No. I think it only gives if you like prepay inside.
Gotcha. Fueled up. Got the essentials.
I got the tea. I got the spiel on the giving pump.
Oh yeah? What's the lore?
I asked how it works. So everyone's clickbaiting on YouTube and shit and TikTok. You don't get given nothing. You actually gave $3 to St. Jude.
Oh,
Which
well,
is so cool.
That's
Yeah,
not
no,
bad.
but you're not giving anything to yourself. You're giving something to someone else, but it's fine.
When you come in, so the first couple jumps are like short, but it's like a second gear. So alright, you come in, second gear, hard left turn, and then you go up, and I usually click third, go up, and then click fourth, and then it's straight away.
Can you like describe what that sounds like to me?
Rob, 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 Rob. There she is. Buttonwoods MX.
I'm starting to feel the jitters.
Let's go.
This is so hype. It's so dope to be back here. It's It's been a whole year since I've been back here.
Got the setup. Hell yeah, dude. C-class riders. Hell yeah, buddy.
almost fucking killed that guy. Huh?
Yeah, he was. You think us?
Quarter pounder. No. Yes. Quarter pounder. Spicy McChicken. Ooh. Oh. Oreo McFlurry. Or bring back spicy nuggets from McDonald's. You can have 3, but one has to go. You can never eat it ever again.
I would get rid of the bacon McDouble.
Get rid of it.
You know it's a good day. Watching the bikes off. Oh yeah. She's a little dirty. A little dirty girl. Yeah, get in there, Kai. Wifey's getting all cleaned up. Letting it soak. Buttonwoods. Fun track, super short. I definitely progressed pretty fucking good today. Was feeling pretty dangerous, pretty fast. So, yeah, I had a fucking. We're out for a ride, you know? We're out for a cruise.
Yeah. It was my first day back in probably a year. Rode like a 250 or 60 pound bike, so it was definitely rough, but I think I did pretty damn well for first day back. But I have a lot more catching up to do, that's for sure. But yeah, but it was just freaking sick. It was just wet as hell in the beginning. We got kind of screwed riding C-Class, and a lot of the footage, GoPro came off my helmet, and you know, other stuff, me just sucking ass too. But yeah.
There was a lot of carnage today, as you probably saw in the video. So, but it was good. We got some good motos in.
Yeah.
NHMX next weekend. Stay tuned.
That'll be a cool one. You'll see a lot of like early morning cooking, maybe some afternoon cooking, some naps. Some good stuff.
No moto, just cooking.
Just straight cooking.
I should do.